I was very disappointed with the Germans the last 10 minutes. They brought on Mario Gomez, but only 2 times they crossed it in the box towards him. You would think with that sort of present 6'3" that they would be a bit more direct at it, because you see the armor of the Mexicans with that aerial present. It hurt them in the first half. Why not be consistent with it? Perhaps that could have gotten a draw for them.
But he got a great opportunity. And I think that where I fault the Germans is that they kept penetrating on the right side and the pressure was there, but in terms of making the switch, in terms of to catch the Mexican shot, and they were not able to create that or get that ball across. So the Mexicans found it easy to defend against at times. And I think that's where Argentina also missed the boat yesterday.
A lot of focus will be on what the Germans did not do and the weaknesses in their game.
Mexico do right?
No, I'm saying to you, this is a brilliant tactical game by Mexico. First half, they gave as much as they got, and they were brilliant on the counter-attack. And I thought should have had maybe 2 or 3 goals in the first half.
Yeah, they
Second
were
half,
well,
we were wary of the intensity of the game taking its toll on their legs. They came out and managed the game perfectly. That was perfect game management. They didn't flow forward as much as they did in the first half. They never needed to.
Exactly.
And the changes that the coaches went to his bench and made were along those lines as well. They brought on the veteran Rafa Marquez to offer leadership in the middle of the park. Brilliant game management by Mexico.